This week I'm testing the new 8-seater Nissan Patrol, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Number 1 is the amount of interior space in here. So I could easily get 4 child seats into the back here, or we could fit a 182cm passenger in the second and in the first row, which is really good. There's also great aircon in the second and third rows, and with this new Patrol they have increased the airflow to the third row passengers. Number 2 is it's got a really good size boot. So even when you're using all 8 seats, you can still get a twin stroller in here and a few bags of shopping. For such a big car, I actually find it really easy to drive around town, and it's got a really good turning circle and the steering's light for such a large car. I've really enjoyed driving the Nissan Patrol with my family this week. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.